So today, I'm going to unbox all of my blind bags, but here's the problem. I keep forgetting to video myself while I make these blind bags. So this is why I am doing it right now. I got 5 blind bags, but you can't see them in the camera. So we're gonna do the school blind bag first. So, these are my 2 favorite animals, a Highland cow and a Longhorn cow. They're really cool. So, which one are we gonna open first? I wanna open this one. You got Rare. What's in here? Oh, mystery phone. Let's open it and see what we got. Look, it's like a paper phone, and it looks really cool. It has like the Apple logo on the back, and it's also really squishy. So that's the phone that we got. Let's see what else we got in here. Whoa, we got squishy paper. Oh, you have a mystery pencil? Let's open this up. Wow, that's cool. It can actually write. That's cool. And it erases too. That's cool. Is there anything else in here? Ooh, it's a mystery calculator. Interesting. Let's open this up. 9 times 5 is 45. It's a little calculator. So all this stuff was in there. So that's really cool. So we got all that stuff today. And just from one blind bag. So if that's all from one blind bag, then let's see what we got from another blind bag. So we're gonna put this off to the side. Okay, which one should we do next? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by his toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. My Crayola blind bag. So this is actually probably my worst blind bag I ever did. I mean, you guys might like it, but I do not like this. Okay. It says you got, oh, forgot to show you. Common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. So it says we got legendary, guys. Look, we got legendary. That's so cool. Okay. Oh, it's a little Crayola logo squishy. It's cool. What else is in here? Whoa. It's a rainbow crayon. Look. I think it might be able to write. Look. That's so cool. So, that's what came out of there. So we're just going to put that back in here. Okay, we got 3 left, guys. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by his toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. My fruit blind bag. I actually made these 3 that are left. I made them previously, and they're really fun to make. So I might make a video on how to make another one. I haven't decided yet. Ooh. So there's a common, a rare, an epic, a legendary, and an extra surprise. So this is a fruit blind bag. So which one should we open up? I said we should open up the common. Ooh. Oh, the common. It's cool. It's a squishy. It's a paper squishy. It's a little orange. Well, that's a yummy fruit. I love oranges. They're so yummy. Okay, let's do the rare. You can just rip this one open. Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? It's a watermelon squishy. So squishy. And it has a bite taken out of it. So that is our rare. Let's look at our epic. Oh no, I know what our epic is. It's a banana. So cool. Kind of looks real. Just without the face, it kind of looks real. Like it does this. That's cool. And then our legendary, let's do that. It's a mega strawberry. Hold on, guys. Hold up. It's a strawberry. That is super squishy. I love it. Look at that. Like it has this shadow and everything. Okay, this is the extra surprise. It's a grapevine. It's a grapevine. It's a little sticker. That's cool. I can't take it. I can't take it out until I actually use it. But that's really cool too. So, what should our next one be, guys? That's our fruit one over there. Should it be Taylor Swift or Adopt Me? So our Adopt Me blind bag, and we'll save our Taylor Swift into the end. So let's just cut off this and open it from the crown. So let's see what we got. It's a legendary. We got the legendary, guys. It's a flyable, rideable sloth. So I actually have this in Adopt Me. It's like very, very fun to ride around on. So that was our Adopt Me one. That was actually a really cool one. When I made it, last but not least, our Taylor Swift. So the Midnights thing is actually a sticker. You can pull it off, but it might stick to the paper, so I might have to do it like this. It's like a sticker. Okay, let's open this thing up. Okay, so it says on the front, Taylor Swift blind bag, actual album not included. It says two surprises. Oh wait, it says two surprises. A song and an album cover. Okay. So uncommon, common, rare, epic, and legendary. So we're gonna open this. That is the song, Taylor Swift Love Story. I love it. It actually looks really good, the drawing. That's the squishy. Oh, I forgot to do this. You got the best of the best. It's a legendary. We got legendary. This is our album. We got 1989. So squishy, guys. I love it. Please, please, please like and subscribe. It'll help my channel grow. I love making art, and I hope it makes you guys happy. So go ahead and watch all my other videos and like all of them too. So those are my blind bags, my Taylor Swift one, my Crayola one, my school blind bag, and last but not least, our Adopt Me blind bag and our fruit blind bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did, and have a great day, guys. Bye!